Hi, John Ozzy here, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Today I'm reviewing the account of one of our FTP traders, Kamil. Kamil's been trading with us from the 26th of February 2021 up until the present date of 9th of April 2021. Looking at Camille's account, I reviewed Camille's account previously, and I can very much tell you a lot of improvements have been in play. And Camille is now managing 60,000 US dollars, which is level 3 of the FTP program. So Camille started from $15,000 up onto $30,000, then on to $60,000. And this is his current journey. Looking at his account, as we can see from the last time we reviewed this account, which was just over a month ago, and I believe that was around March, which Camille made his 10%. That was 30,000, and in between that, Camille has grown steadily, and he's hit another 20%, which will be about here, and this is where he got to level 3. So looking at Camille's journey now, Camille is still focused on his two pairs. He trades mainly the pound US dollar, which he's traded 36 times and made a total of 309 pips, 0.3. And he has 28 trades on the short side and he's made 401 pips and 60. So altogether, Camille has made a staggering $5,187 on the pound pair, and he's made um, just 52 pips, 0.3, which is $283 on the US dollar Swiss franc. Camille's only traded this pair just once, which is very interesting. I'd like to know why. But let's look at Camille's advanced statistics now. Looking at the analytics of his trades, we can see Camille's had a total of 65 trades to date. And looking at 65 trades, Camille has been successful 38 times out of 65. He's lost only 27 out of 65, which gives Camille a 58% strike rate of efficiency. This is down to good money management and a trading plan, something I believe Camille is very disciplined with, and the consistency in results are showing on the P&L statement as I'm reviewing right here. Looking at the summary again, we can look at it. Camille has two open positions right now and they're in profit with a total of $103. But let's see his performance from the start date. He started in February, there was only 0.03 growth. He made 19.08% growth in March, and he's just made 3.2% in April, which we're in the current month. So if we add the 3% to the 19, that gives us 22.10. So Camille's done very well in maintaining this account. And I can't really say much more, to be honest. He's only had two bad drawdowns of 3.14% in March, on March 22nd, and he had another one 2.7% on the 19th of March, and the only other worst one was 2.71 on the 2nd of March. But when we look at the growth rate, it's only the negative equity that we've got in terms of a drawdown is actually positive. He's only lost profit, but he's never hit the drawdown of 10%, which is minus 1,500, which brings the account down to $1,350. So Camille, well done, and you've done very well. And looking at the gain, you've actually maintained a daily rate of 0.50%, very close to 1% a day. Your absolute gain is 9.12%, and you've actually had a drawdown of 3.43% with a monthly average of 16.17%. So Camille, well done and congratulations on your achievement. The next challenge for you now is to go on to six figures, which is 120,000. So Camille, without saying a lot, you're not far from it because all we need is $6,000 from you, Camille. So as you can see, your current profit is now $5,470. So with another $430, I'll be looking forward to reviewing your account again, Camille. So I wish you all the best, Camille. And there's nothing much I can say. You've done very well and you're very disciplined with your trades. So if I just actually browse through your history real quick, it speaks for itself. You've had losses, you've had gains, but you've preserved the balance. So Camille, Well done. The only thing I'll tip and recommendation I'll say, you're very experienced in your trading. Always use a stop loss because you never know when the market slips or uncertainty happens in the market. Execute your trades always with a trading plan. Always use a stop loss and stick to pairs that you know that give you the consistent results. And this is what we have right now with the pairs you're trading, the pound US dollar and the US dollar Swiss franc. You're a special trader trading the pound US dollar known as a cable. And Camille, I wish you all the best and looking forward to reviewing your account when you get to 120,000. I wish you all the best.